So the today question is that you are given an array of positive integer and you can perform this operation any number of times. So choose any two adjacent element and replace them with their sum. The goal is to make array palindrome and return minimum number of operation needed. So what the question is saying that let's say that I have an array 4321231 and I have to make this number a palindrome, and only operation we can do is to merge the adjacent element. Okay, so in this list, if we merge this 1 2, okay, then in one operation my array will change to 432331. Okay, and again if we merge this two adjacent element, then my list will become 43234, right? And this is a palindrome. Okay, so here we need two operation to make a array to a palindrome. Okay, let's say that my other array is 1 2 3. Here one way is that I merge this two adjacent element first, then it will become 1 5, and then I merge this two elements, so it will become 6, and this is a palindrome. What is the other approach? The other approach is that we merge these two adjacent element first. So if we merge these two adjacent element first, then we will have 3 3, and this is a palindrome. Okay, right? So here only we need one operation, and in this approach we need two operation, and we need to return the minimum number of operation. Okay, so this one is a correct answer. Okay, so let's see how we are going to approach this problem. So to be a palindrome, the array must satisfy the first element of the array should be equal to the last element of the array. Similarly, the second element of the array should be equal to the second last element of the array, and so on. Okay, so we want to match left and right value as we move inward. So what we will do, first we will compare the left and the right. Okay, so if they are equal, then we will move inward. Okay, we will increment left and we will decrement the right pointer. Okay, second is that if the left is smaller than right, so what we need to do here? So let's say that if my li of left is 3, for example, and li of right is 8. Okay, so which side we need to change? Can we reduce 8 to 3? So obviously it is not possible, because our array is positive number, and in any operation we are going to merge only. Okay, so obviously we are not going to reduce this right part. So only option is to increase the smaller one by merging it. Okay, so in this scenario, while comparing between left and right, the one who is smaller, we are going to merge that part only. Okay, and we will increment the operation part, right? So here what we will do, we are going to merge the left element. Okay, similarly, in case if the right one is smaller, so in that scenario we are going to merge the right part. Okay, we need to increase the right side, so we will merge the right minus 1 with right. Okay, so let's do a dry run, and let's write a pseudo code first, and then we will do a dry run, and then we will see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so here is our pseudo code, and this is my list. So we have initially left pointer is at 4 and right pointer is at the last index. Okay, so first we will check why left is less than right. If left equal to right, obviously it is not equal. So here right is smaller than left. Okay, so we are in this block. So what we will do here, we will increment the value of right minus 1, this one, with adding this right. So what we are doing, we are merging these two elements. So after, and we are increasing our count. So here count means that how many operations we have done so far. Okay, and we are also decreasing the right. So after this operation, my array will look like 4 3 2 1 2 4 1. Okay, and my right will become here. Okay, so here in the question we are only concerned about how many operation we need to make a palindrome. Okay, we are not going to really make the array a palindrome. Okay, so in case if we need to make our array as a palindrome, then we need to delete the element. Like here after merging we need to delete this one. Okay, so now let's continue with the iteration. Okay, so here my left is here, right is here. Now left is equal to right. So in that scenario we are going to just move inward. So I am going to increment my left and right. Okay, so my left is now here and right is now here. Okay, again here we noticed that my right part is smaller than the left one, right? So again we are in this condition. What we are going to do, we are going to increment the value of right minus 1 and we are merging this two value. Okay, so after that my array will look like 4 3 4 3 2 3 4 1. Okay, and my left is here, and now my right will become here. Okay, and we have 2 also here. So my right is here now. Okay, now again we notice that my left and right is equal, so we are going to increment left and decrement right. And here we notice that my while loop is not satisfying the condition, so we will break from the while loop, and we have done two operation here. Okay, so in two operation we have completed our task. Okay, so let's solve this problem on the LeetCode also and see whether we are able to submit it or not. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now let this try to solve this problem on the LeetCode. So here what we are going to do, first we need to define our pointer. Right pointer will start from the last index. We will have count variable also, which will which tell me how many operations we have done so far. Okay, now we will write my while condition. In case my array the left and right is same, then we will just move inward. Okay, for that we will increment my left and we will decrement our right. Else if nums of left is smaller than right, then we will merge the left plus 1 and left, right? In case, and we will also increment our count variable. Otherwise we are going to merge right minus 1 with right. Okay, and we will also increment the count, and finally we are going to return the count. Okay, and let's see whether we are able to submit or not. Okay, so here we are doing one mistake. We are not after merging we are not incrementing left and we are not decrementing right here. So that's why my code ran into infinite loop. Now let's try to submit again. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Thank you.